The idea of luxury for us, as in most projects, is not about the expensive materials what we use. For us, it's about being able to carve out these green spaces, courtyards, even these smallest of the smallest sites, to make the ambience and the livability of the house, to lift it to a better level. Hi, I'm Vikram Rajsekar from Cadence Architects. Today we are in one of our projects called Pattern Land in Bangalore. For more detailed chapters, PDF ebooks, please visit buildofy.com. The name Pattern Land, as it suggests, came about with us trying a lot of different patterns, shapes, colors and forms. And we kind of tried to gel the whole thing into one cohesive design language. The site is 4060 2,400 square feet site located in Bangalore. The site faces east, and we ended up building an overall of around 9,000 square feet of built up space in the site. At the ground floor, the house is situated in the center. We have the core, all the above floors as well. We have the entry in the northeast, and we have 3 car parks at the ground floor level. This lounge area looks into the courtyard, which is at the lower level. And also there is an office space over here, which also looks down into the green courtyard below. At the first floor, you come into this large open family space, which is double lighted at the seating area level. And you also have an entry to a guest bedroom at this level, and the puja is tucked in over here in this corner. And this puja has got a nice access right in the center of the sitting space, through the dining area and the garden space in the first floor. This space is also houses the kitchen and the utility to complete the first floor. The backdrop of the puja is on a curved granite wall, which has got a horizontal striped pattern. And in the center, we have used an inlay of stainless steel, which indicates falling petals or flowers, and it cascades down onto the floor, creating a very unique pattern in contrast with the black granite. So we used a lot of natural stones in this project, especially the facade, where we have used limestone for cladding. We have used different shades of marble to create patterns in the floor. So the marbles what we have used in this project is predominantly white and grey. That is again to kind of counterbalance with the colors happening on the walls and the ceiling. We have also used small quantities green and white in the balconies, but in combination with terrazzo again to counterbalance the colors. At the second floor, as soon as we arrive, we have a huge common space which leads to 2 different bedrooms, but also looks down into the first floor family area as well. This bedroom has a huge walk-in wardrobe and a toilet. And the interesting feature about this parent's bedroom is that it's got a very nice concrete printed floor. And this segment over here is the daughter's bedroom, which has its walk-in wardrobe and toilet in the rear. And this is the bedroom which opens out into the huge deck, which is in the curved shape in the facade. And this is where we have used the combination of the marble and the terrazzo inlay over here. This also looks down into the first floor balcony partially. In the third floor, as soon as you arrive, we have the huge multi-purpose space. The lounge area also acts like a nice play area for the kid, wherein all his play things are stored in a very nicely designed wardrobe unit we have created there. The nice thing about this space is that it opens out into a nice terrace garden through a collapsible window. We have seating area and a provision for get together at this area, and we also have services tucked in this corner right here. This is the space where we also have the canopy of the huge tree which is on the median of the road. This terrace garden has a nice view into the rain tree canopy which hovers around above this outdoor deck. And also we get these nice views into the trees and the city beyond from this terrace. Lounge space, multi-purpose space, we get into the final space which is the master bedroom. And we have toilet and the walk-in wardrobe tucked into it. The unique thing about this bed is it's got a nice picture window right in front of the bed with a seater, and you get to see further foliage and trees from this bedroom. Another example of patterns used in this project is these collapsible windows right here, which have semicircular and different shapes, which is common throughout the house. Again, like the name suggests, pattern land for the house, we used multiple patterns and multiple colors, but yet had overall vision of them coming cohesively and not becoming too chaotic and gelling well together in the overall scheme of things.